your street stock gas class. First place will go to Jeff. I can't pronounce his last name in the Ford. Second place will go to Andrew Maxwell, 267.98. Third place will go to Brandon Priest. Fourth place to Mike Edwards. And fifth place to Philip
Here's the
Arnold.
good stuff. Waiting all night for this. Wish this freaking phone had a zoom on it. Here he goes. Build it up.
How come most of them are
Because they're so freaking fast. Sorry about that, man.
Moving into the 12,000-pound hot farm class. This is a Dragon Motorsports points class. A few of the rules on this class.
Dear God.
Maximum of 466 cubic inch engine. Maximum turbo size is 2.4 inches on the intake side. Maximum speed of 17 miles an hour and a maximum RPM of 3,500.
Shoot. Dude, get out of the fucking way. Damn it. Oh boy.
Sled operator going back, making a few changes. Since we up the horsepower, you got to put the weight on them a little quicker.
What's he doing?
See him back there, he's starting to box that a little further ahead. They even change the gear in that, make your box come up the rails faster. The box comes up the rails faster, then the pan underneath drops quicker, and that will actually stop them a little sooner. Last night we watched that Ford tractor blow that in 341 feet.
Yeah, what?
Yeah, you did. You let me damn heads off.
Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Very clean.
Oh my God. Oh. Alright.